Hey, this is Preyo Phonie. Do you get tired scrolling again and again on your iPhone? Or stuck deep inside settings and don't know how to go back fast? This quick trick will save you time. Imagine you're scrolling settings, and you reach all the way to the bottom. Now scrolling back up feels annoying, right? Trick 1, instant scroll to top, 10-20 sec. Here's the secret. Just tap the top of your iPhone screen, near the camera or sensor area. Boom, you're instantly back at the top. No scrolling needed. Trick 2, easy back from deep settings, 20-45 sec. Now imagine this. You go to Settings, Accessibility, Touch, Back tap. You're deep inside menus. To go back easily, long press the back button on the top left corner. Now you'll see all previous pages. Just tap where you want to go. Or jump straight back to settings. Super fast, super easy. This saves time, reduces finger effort, and makes using iPhone much smoother. Try this trick right now. For more smart iPhone tips, like, share, and subscribe to Preyo Phonie.